Hi everyone, this is Shelley here. I will be making creamy mushroom soup with some of the mushrooms that we got from Chicken of the Woods mushrooms. And so here we go. First thing I want to do is I'm going to saute the onions. Next, I'll be adding some minced garlic. It's 4 tablespoons, or teaspoons, I'm sorry, 4 teaspoons. The recipe calls for 4 garlic cloves, but if you don't have 4 garlic cloves, you can use 1 teaspoon per clove. And that's really looking really good in there. Smelling good. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms. And my 2 teaspoons of thyme. So I've got some Chicken of the Woods mushrooms, plus I incorporated also some of these other mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. My next step is to put 4 tablespoons of flour. By the way, this recipe will be on the description below. Kind of getting it ready to add the broth. Now for the broth. 4 cups of broth. This is chicken broth. Now we'll let that cook and simmer for a while. Now I will be adding 2 teaspoons of salt. It said 1 to 2, but I know I like salt. And then 1 teaspoon of pepper. We'll let that cook a little bit longer and thicken up. Next, I'll be adding a cup of cream. It says to use heavy cream, but I'm using half and half. Okay, the soup is done, so we're going to dish it up now.
Here I come. I'm grabbing that one.
Hey, you're supposed to put a little bit of parsley and a little bit of this thyme, and there you go. Go ahead. There it is. You already grabbed it, so you want more in there?
No, this is good for now.
Okay. All right.
All right, so cream of mushroom soup using the chicken of the woods we found the other day. And we actually freeze-dried this and then reconstituted it just to see how it would work out.
And we also used portobello mushrooms.
And there's some portobellos in there, and I'm going to find a piece of chicken of the woods. There's a couple of pieces right there, since we found those. Okay, here we go to try them. I wish you could smell it. The taste is excellent. So, did you tell them that we would put a recipe down below in the description?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Very good.
Wait, I've got to taste it.
Okay.
Ooh, it smells wonderful. A little bit of parsley flake. Supposed to have fresh, but I didn't have any fresh. A little bit of thyme. And I don't have my spoon either. So, and here's a piece of it. Here's my chicken of the woods with mushroom soup. Really good. Wow. We definitely will be doing this again.
Okay, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
Right.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. See you next time.